Yes, guys, welcome to the next video. So moving on from last time and what we looked at consolidations and how to trade in that type of trade environment, we're going to be moving on to expansions and continuations. So this is going to be a brief lesson because it's kind of what we already know about trading in a bullish and a bearish structure. But yeah, we're going to be getting into it in a lot more detail throughout the course. So let's have a think about the market cycle. These are areas of consolidations. Now, what can we expect at consolidations? It's an accumulation of orders and liquidity. So you might get liquidity on both sides of the markets. Then as soon as you break out, you start to see that expansion and continuation trade. Now, if we know on the higher time frame that we're very bearish, that means that we're going to just be looking for sells, right? So when we get to areas where we can look for sells, we need to improve our probability as much as possible. So if we're in a downtrend, we're going to be looking for areas of um, premium zones, essentially. So when we get there, you get that bit of consolidation. And as soon as you see that break of structure out, and it's got to be a clean break, not a liquidity grab as we've explored previously. It's got to be a clean break, some kind of retracement, and then back down to break these lows at least. So we want to get into the moves and expansions because there's more profit there to be seen. And of course, it's faster moving away from your break-even point. And that's exactly what we want. We don't want price to be hovering around our entry for too long because that will give us a lower conviction that our trade is actually going to succeed. So for expansion trades, just to briefly explain, that break of structure on the lower time frame, when we approach our zone of interest, we go to that point of interest, go down onto the lower time frame, see what's going on, and then that's exactly when we get into the expansion trade. So we want to see a break of structure, a retracement back up, and then straight into some kind of point of interest, and then we get into the trade. So throughout this course, there's going to be a lot more in-depth lessons in the price action, the types of setups that we actually want to see, in expansion trades and continuation trades. So yeah, guys, just a brief lesson, just to, clear things up in these introductory videos. So yeah, guys, anyways, take care and we'll see you in the next video.